Okay, we are trying to get in a quick 2013 break of just this SPX. This is the last, we'll call it bonus break from my last break. Teams are as follows. This is on my new computer first time, so hopefully all goes as planned. Teams are... Can't see teams. Teams are, I got a bunch: Anthony, Titans, Bills, Falcons, Colts, Derek, Steelers, Jags, Packers, Texans, Ravens, Cardinals, Josh, Vikings, Patriots, Lions, Broncos, Redskins, Eastern, Saints, Raiders, Rams, Chiefs, J-Wags, 49ers, Bucks. Those are teams. We're doing one box of this. Good luck to everybody. Scissors. It's going to be 4 hits. I should have one of these. Try to go through this kind of quick for you. Good luck, everybody. I am recording, new machine, volume looks good. So, let's see. Right off the bat, Starla Tulele. Auto, rookie. Out of $2.99, nice. I think he's a Panther? He's pretty good. I remember he had some sort of heart condition, so they weren't sure about where to draft him, but he's been playing, he's been pretty good, I believe. It's a pretty cool looking auto, too. Starla Tulele out of $2.99. Nice card. I think the video is better on my new block. Let me double check on Star. He's a Panther. And he was drafted by the Panthers. Who's got the Panthers? Do I have the Panthers? I don't even know. I have the Panthers. Nice. Okay, start the 2 away for me. Best the other 2 are. Okay. As happens with SPX. Okay, one auto. Ooh, here's an auto jersey. I'm going to save that. Right there. At least it's a jersey. You see red, which usually means it's like Stanford, or like maybe a Bill, or a Cardinal. We got a Ricky Waters die cut. Figure out who he's going to later. We got nice for the Redskins. This is a good box. Jordan Reed to $2.99. Rookie auto. Nice. I don't think I have the Redskins. I think somebody else has them, which is pretty sick. Redskins are going to Josh. There you go, Josh. Wouldn't have mattered if you lost your bet or not. Redskins. Kind of a little hard to get. No, I think 2 autos. Whoa, whoa. We got an X die cut of Nick Bonciani. Very intrigued if that's a USC Trojan or a Stanford Cardinal. We got a rookie to $8.99 of Zach Ertz. Zach Ertz going to the Eagles. Eagles are Eagles and me. Sweet. Come on, Shadow Box. Haven't got Shadow Box in a long time. Nice for Derek. Marcus Wheaton Jumbo Jersey to 250. There you go. Josh for Jordan Reed. I got Starlet Tulele. Josh with a little Derek now with Marcus Wheaton. They go in there, yep. Marcus Wheaton out of 250. Cool card. Big jersey spot. So that's our fourth hit. So let's hope for... I have got 5 hits in these before. Radiance, nice. For the Broncos, Monte Ball to 99. Probably my second Radiance out of here I've ever pulled. I don't think these fit in a normal one. I think this one's thick for it. Yeah, I'll figure that one out. Monte Ball to 99 going to the Broncos. Do I have the Broncos? No, I have a bunch in this. I do not. Who's got the Broncos? Broncos are going to Josh as well. Josh, Monte Ball to 99. Shadow Box. Oh. We got a Josh Cordell Patterson, number to 899. Now I can use one of these and put 2 in there. Well, maybe not. Yep. Odell Patterson, Monte Ball, both going to Josh. Okay, last pack other than a hit. We got a Geno Smith going to me and the Jets. Okay, I gotta look up. Geno going to me. Ricky Waters and Nick Biancotti. Not gold, not gold, not gold, all silver. Still got a gold one. They're numbered to 5, so Ricky Waters. Running back, 49ers. Looks like he was a 49er first, going to J-Wags. Ricky Waters. And Nick Biancotti. I don't know how to spell his name. Nick Buonic. Boston Patriot, 1962. So that's going to go to the Patriots. Patriots are going to Josh. Josh is crushing this thing. Nick Biancotti. Okay, the last card. Ooh, I just saw it. Decoy, and your hit is Zach Ertz, rookie auto jersey. Nice card. Numbered to 475. I think I have the Eagles. I gave myself the first Zach Ertz card. I would only assume that I have the Eagles. Philadelphia Eagles, I do. Okay, so I did pretty decent in this. Well, the good news is a couple of you, including Anthony, didn't get hit. And Ishan didn't get hit. Okay, J-Wags, Ricky Waters, Derek, Marcus Wheaton, Josh, Nick Belgiani, Cordell Patterson, and Monte Ball number to 99, and a Jordan Reed auto. That's pretty cool. And then I got Geno Smith, Zach Ertz, the 899. Zach Ertz, rookie auto jersey. And Starla Tulele auto. That's pretty sweet. Okay, that is going to do it. A couple of you got some free stuff because you didn't get anything. And that's going to be it. So I will post this later. Thanks a lot, guys.